Hello, today we install the 6NF in this BMW GT. Okay, let's check out this feature. This feature is actually it's we need a iPhone 4 or iPhone 3, and also this this one. This is called the snap-in adapter, the media one. Okay, if you want to take a look the inside, you can take this one out. Okay, there's a fan inside, and it is a silver color locker, and also a media on the bottom. So behind is like this. Okay, so this base plate also very special, and he got a golden pin. You see on the both sides. The previous one, the normal one, only can charge your phone is only a black plastic. Okay, we plug in this snap-in adapter, then we put in the iPhone 5. First, he's charging. You see, he's charging. Second, he can then on the screen you will see there's a snap-in adapter. So we go to the snap-in adapter, then you will see this video. Okay, that means you can play the video from your iPhone. Okay. If we choose another video, video playlist, it's my iPhone. You can see this Mrs.
Good morning and welcome to Geography. I'm your teacher, Mr. Cool J.
Hello, Mr. Cool J.
Hello, kids. Today we're going to go on an exciting journey. We're going to take you to Germany, Switzerland, France, London, and Japan. I'm going to take you all over the world. You guys ready?
That's amazing. Actually, it's playing from your iPhone here. And if you want to add if you already add the connected drive 6NF, then you will have another feature. It's called you can play the iPhone like this. You can play the iPod from this menu. Sorry, it's in Chinese. Right? And you can also control by the iDrive. Back. Up.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Knockin' Boots podcast. I'm your host, Luke Steele.
Okay, if you want to exit, you press menu, go back. Also, BMW apps is available. Yeah, internet, everything is ready for this car. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Nobody can even see us.